everyone, I am Anita Singh and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. Today I am going to explain you social science topic of grade 3, major landforms. India is a beautiful country. The surface of our country is not same everywhere. We find various landforms like mountains, plains and hills in India. Water bodies like rivers and lakes are also found in different parts of the country. A landform is a natural feature of the Earth's surface. The major landforms on our Earth are mountains, hills, valley, plains, plateaus, and peninsula. Let's know about mountains. A mountain is a huge landmass that rises high above its surrounding areas. The top of a mountain is known as the peak. The highest mountain peak in the world is the Mount Everest. Mountains are the highest landforms on land. Height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. It is in Nepal. When the mountains are lined together, they form a mountain range. Let's know about another landform, that is hill. A hill is also a type of highland, but it is not as high as mountain. Hills are low mountain ranges. Their tops are round in shape. People visit hill stations during summers because of the pleasant climatic conditions. Valley is a low-lying area between two mountains or hills. Usually, rivers flow through them. Plains are flat and leveled lands. Plains are most populated as they are fertile. Life is easy here in comparison to other landforms. Many big cities are located in the plains. Plenty of food crops are also grown in this region. Let's know about plateau. A plateau is a rocky highland with a flat top. It looks like a tabletop. Hills and mountains are found along the edges of some plateaus. Plateaus are higher than the plains. Minerals, deposits and fertile lands are also found in this region. Let's know about desert. A desert is a large area of dry land. This is the area which receives little or no rainfall. It can be hot or cold. Very few trees grow here. Now I'll explain you about peninsula. The land which is surrounded by water from three sides is called a peninsula. For example, India's southern part is surrounded by three water bodies, namely the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea. Hence, India's southern part is a peninsula. Let's know about the great oceans. Oceans are the very large water bodies on the earth. There are five oceans in the world. They are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Let's know about seas. Seas are big water bodies, but they are smaller than the oceans. Water in the oceans and seas is salty. Hence, we cannot use it at home or to grow plants and crops. Let's know about rivers. Rivers are the large streams which flow on a particular path. That path is called a course. It starts its journey from the source. Usually this source can be a hill or a mountain. As the snow on the mountains or hills melts, water flow in small streams. When these small streams join, they form a river. Let's know about a gulf, a bay, and a strait. A gulf is a large area of sea that is partly surrounded by land with a narrow mouth. A strait is a narrow passage of water which separates two land masses and connects two large water bodies. A bay is also a part of a sea surrounded by a wide curved land on three sides. Let's know about lakes. The water bodies which are surrounded by land on all sides are called lakes. There are two types of lakes. A freshwater lake contains water that is not salty. Example, Lake Superior in North America. A saltwater lake contains water that is salty. Example, Sambar Lake in India. Here I'll end up with my topic. If you like the video, kindly do like, share and subscribe our channel. Have a great day. Thank you all.